Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here is a donut recipe you have to try this festive season for your loved ones, and you cannot give any excuse not to make this because I will show you different ways you can cut your donut. Even if you don't have a donut cutter, there are so many shapes you can make your donut. So the first thing I will be doing is to add warm milk and sugar together and also yeast. Stir it to make sure everything is well combined, then cover and allow it to stir for at least 15 minutes. Whisk the eggs and keep it aside. I will be putting the list of the ingredients in the description box below. Feel free to check it out. After 15 minutes, I will add the wet ingredients together, just like so. Now adding some flour and cardamom. You can use cinnamon or vanilla. Then I add a little bit of salt. Then I will start combining everything together. Add your flour bit by bit and folding together just like so. Then after a while, you can remove your spatula and start mixing everything with your fingers. Please, if you are still watching up to this extent, like the video, leave your comments below and share out the video. Thank you so much for stopping by, and thank you so much for sharing my video. I appreciate each and every one of you. Mix everything together just like so. Yeah, it will be sticky a bit, but don't worry. Just add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and fold everything together. Then it will stop sticking on your fingers or your palm, just like so. After about 5 minutes, cover and allow it to stay for at least 40 to 45 minutes. Depending on the temperature in your place, it will rise or it will not rise much. Here in Norway is minus 20 degrees, so it did not rise as much as it could, but yeah, we move. Add a little bit of flour and fold everything together. Mold and mold and mold at least 2 to 3 minutes to remove the bubbles from it. Share it into 3 equal parts or into 4 equal parts depending on the shapes you are making. Start kneading it one after the other. Remember to sprinkle some flour so it doesn't stick on your stick or on the mat you are using. After a while, once you are done folding it, cut it out. First, I will be using this donut cutter I got from online, just like so. You remove the one in the middle and it's ready. Here is the next style I will be making it like triangle, like a pizza. This is for people that doesn't have donut cutter. Don't give any excuse not to make donuts this Christmas season. And even if it's knife you have, use knife to cut it as any shape you like. Here I'll be using this shape I have as well to cut it out. So guys, after a while, once I'm done cutting, I will start frying it, deep frying. After the oil is hot, I just throw in the donuts and start frying it. Remember to flip to the other side so that it will cook evenly. Fry till it turns to golden brown just like so. Then you take it out from the heat. Allow it to cool down, then enjoy. These are all the donuts after frying it, different shapes, and you can choose to eat it like this. You can choose to put some glazing on it before eating it. Here is what the inside looks like. So if you want to put like Nutella inside, use your straw, open it, then press in the Nutella inside, and voila, you have Nutella donut. So yummy. Here is my kids enjoying it as their breakfast. Another way you can enjoy your donuts or you serve it is just to rub some sugar on it just like so. Then it's ready. You can as well put some Nutella or some icing sugar glazing and enjoy it. So guys, here is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye. Compliments of the season.